Today we are breaking down why is HyroTrader 3 times better than any competitor firm. From transparency to real trading capital, this is game changer for crypto traders, so stick around. If you are serious with your trading and you want to work with platform which prioritize transparency, trading platform, trading capital and innovation, this is for you. So firstly, transparency and trading platform. At HyroTrader, our traders can trade USDT Futures on the ByBit platform, which offers more than 500 trading pairs and leverage up to 100x. ByBit is platform trusted by professional traders and also retail traders all around the world. And here is the difference. Many other prop trading firms use CFD trading platforms where they can manipulate trading data, fees, liquidity, spreads. They manipulate your trading environment. At HyroTrader we are completely transparent. You can connect your own exchange account to HyroTrader via API and we have no control over your trading environment. This level of transparency ensures that you see exactly what you will get, no hidden tricks. In the second place, we are a real company with real people. We started in 2022 with our trading platform and then we pivoted into the HyroTrader and now we are one of the fastest growing crypto prop trading firms. Our main office is in Prague, next to the FTMO, which is the biggest and most successful forex prop trading company. Compare this to many of our competitors who operate as offshore companies with no real and physical addresses. While the decision is yours, I strongly recommend to be cautious about to believe in prop trading company based in offshore locations. Third one is a real capital and no conflict of interest. Here is where HyroTrader really stands out. We provide also real capital to our best performing crypto traders. After achieving 3 to 5 payouts on demo account, we offer crypto traders contract with our different company to trade a real trading capital. Unlike others crypto prop trading firms, on the real account we also copy our traders, and that means when you win, we will also win. Competitors do not offer real capital and also they do not copy your trades. And this creates conflict of interest, because when you as a trader are profitable, that means the firm is in the loss. At HyroTrader we align with your interest and our interest for win-win cooperation. Fourth and the last one, innovative dashboard and fast payouts. We built custom trading dashboard when you can see your trading statistics and overview of your trades. Our payout system is one of the fastest in the whole industry. We'll process your payout in first 12 to 24 hours. And soon you will be able to backtest your trading strategies directly from HyroTrader account. This will enable you to improve your trading results. HyroTrader is not just another crypto prop trading company. We are redefining what does it mean to be crypto funded trader. If you are ready to take your trading to the next level, HyroTrader is here to help you. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.